I want to tell you my history with the HIYC. You see, HIYC is one of the organizations which you can tick all the boxes. You know, you can have a place of peace, you can pray, you can watch the mashayikh, you can understand your religion, you can get food, you can go to the gym, you can meet the nicest brothers. And for me personally, subhanAllah, when I come from the West Bank, and this is true, by the way, when I just come from the West Bank to Australia, I saw everywhere like West Bank, West Bank, West Bank. Wow, we must be popular here. And then a brother said, brother, this is West Bank, not West Bank. So after that, I said, I want to find a place where I can meet the brothers, where I can make salah, where I can learn my religion in peace. They said, oh, you have to catch the HIYC. And in HIYC, I met the most nice brothers you will ever meet in your life, mashallah. May Allah bless you all. So immediately a man, one of the brothers, he said, brother, we have the best camp in Australia. I said, brother, please pick up someone else. He said, no, you have to come with us. HIYC camp is the best camp in Australia. I tell him, brother, I am Palestinian. I have seen enough camps in my life. So, and after that, the good thing that happened to me, I was looking for a wife. And I find her also, the Sheikh, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward him. He find me a good wife. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala all give you a good wife. And my question is, how many of you have wife and have children? Raise up your hand. Show me some hands, show me some hands, show me, mashallah, mashallah, beautiful. Okay, how many of you want to get married? Same hands, mashallah, yes, listen. Romantic, we want to multiply 4 times. So my wife, she buy me nice gifts. One of the gifts she buy me is this.
Stop snoring.
This is for snoring. See, I try to snore, it doesn't snore. My wife bought me this, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless her. How many of you, your wife buy you this? No one of you, huh? Okay, I will make this experiment. How many of you snore at night? Please, between me and you. Raise your hand. Show me some hands. You have 3 wives, brother. You can snore as much as you like. How many of you snore? MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Sheikh, I'll give you this. Okay, you have Sheikh, also the Sheikh has. Okay, now you said you don't snore. Ladies, tell me if your husband snores or your brother snores or some snore, please raise up your hands. MashaAllah, look at your wife there. Everyone snores, not only me. So, Alhamdulillah, here we learn, we came, we love the place where we come. We love Australia. The way we want it to be, the way it is, the people, our neighbors, our co-workers, the best people on earth. That is Australia that we know. Until recently, the media couldn't penetrate. You see, when we talk about the upper hand, I have 3 meanings for the upper hand. The first upper hand, when someone comes to you as a Muslim and look at you up and down, up and down, up and down. Don't blame him, because the media has already pressured him too much. Today I was praying Asr at Jordanville. I was praying Asr, I couldn't find a place, so I put a mat and I prayed. 5 minutes, police car was there. They were very, very nice gentlemen, a gentleman and a lady. I swear to God, this happened today. So I smiled to them. I thought maybe something suspicious, so I should help them because they are for our protection. So as I'm smiling, I don't know that they are investigating me. Wallahi, I didn't know they are investigating me. So I'm smiling, how are you, officer? How is nice day, beautiful and sunny day? Yes, yes. The lady officer, she said, was you praying earlier? I said, yes. How you know? She said, we know. I said, but I just finished praying now. She said, actually somebody called us and we come. I tell her, actually I am near this place. I couldn't find a place to pray, so I had to pray here. She said, we understand. I tell her, actually, I am Arab. She said, also, I am Arab. So the good thing about it, the police enforcement are there to protect us. And we should also be the upper hand to help them, to investigate and make their job easy. They were apologizing. In a way, I feel shy. We have to live with our co-workers, the Australian, who are from us, our neighbors, to show them how good quality as Muslim we are. You see, these days, many people are afraid that their passport will be confiscated and their freedom will be taken from them. We come to Australia for freedom. We don't want our passport to be confiscated. The passport that should be confiscated are the Israeli soldiers who go and I want you to sing with me, and I want Canberra to listen to your song. Allah reward you too. We have a saying, because we want Australia the way we love it. We love the Australia the way it is. That's why we come here. People livelihood. We want better welfare system, not better warfare system. Yes? Give me takbir. Better welfare, not better warfare. That is Australia way. We don't love war. 1, 2, 3, 4, no further war. A dream. And in my dream, I see Australia the way is it. No change. The way people loving one another. And one time, when I'm sleeping and I'm dreaming, somebody knocked the door. Knock, knock.
Knock, knock.
Only one man say who's there. Everybody say who's there. Are you there with me? Okay. Knock, knock. Okay, now it's real. Knock, knock. The Australian government. What? Who are you? The Australian government. What do you want? We want to ask you, are you Mazen Adel? Yes, I am. Are you Muslim? Yes, I am. Are you Arab? Yes, I am. Are you pro-Palestinian? I am Palestinian. What are you talking about? Okay. We want you to become the next Prime Minister. Of what? Of the Commonwealth. Of what? Of Australia. Allah. You can dream in Australia. You can dream, and you can achieve the dream, and we can keep Australia the way we love it, the way we want it, where we don't fear one another, where we love one another, where we care for one another. This is the Australia we want. Yes? Give me takbir.